News, my lovely, wonderful people. You are a liar. Fubara State, River State Assembly resume hostility. Now, this is what is going on. The fight has begun, and all this is stemming from Wike. It is very sad because Wike continue to make the governor look incompetent as everybody just continue to watch on. And the truth of it is we cannot continue with the same thing over and over again then expect a different result. So there is a lot going on. There is a lot of back and forth, and everybody's just wondering when this is going to come to an end. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe as we get to the very bottom of this. You are a liar. Fubara, River State Assembly resume hostility as things begin to escalate. The political fraud in River State escalates sharply on Thursday as the Speaker of the House of Assembly, Right Honorable Martin, publicly branded Governor Sim Fubara a liar and someone looking for trouble, accusing him of constantly misleading the public and conniving and circumventing due process. Recall that Fubara on Wednesday dismissed speculations of a rift between himself and the federal or state lawmakers from the state, insisting that calm of restrained relationship are unfounded. They said this at the commissioning of extended and dualized 28.4-kilometer Ahoda Omoku Road. The governor said contractors have completed the job, and contrary to insinuations that he was avoiding the lawmakers, arrangement has already been made for a meeting with them. He explained that the plan was for his predecessor, the FCT Minister Nyesom Wike, along with elder statesman Alagbaro and other leaders to convey the section. Speaking at a press conference in Port Harcourt, the River State Speaker, during interview, directly challenged Governor Fubara public comments that he was ready to cooperate with the lawmakers. The Speaker alleged that Governor Fubara has repeatedly refused to submit the 2025 budget to the House and strictly for scrutiny and approval, despite legislative and constitutional requirements. The Speaker stated that the governor is currently spending state funds without legislative appropriation, an act he described as unconstitutional. He recounted and recalled a crucial meeting where the assembly urged the governor to support budget breakdown. The governor told us bluntly that he would not do it. The speaker claimed, stressing that the assembly has maintained silence for months, hoping the governor will do the right thing. The speaker also accused the governor of awarding contract to his friends and loyalists without proper legislative approval. He alleged that some of the contract beneficiaries were individuals purposely involved in burning of the assembly complex during the peak of the political crisis. They are even celebrating it on social media, mocking us, he said. It is the governor of Fubara who has failed to keep the terms of the agreement. He doesn't want to, and this is not the first time. He has agreed with us and then he failed to keep to the terms and conditions. Furthermore, the speaker faulted Governor Fubara, claimed that reconciliation meeting has now taken place, insisting that the Minister of FCT, Nyesom Wike, conveyed multiple sessions which the governor failed to come to. The speaker listed meetings in Abuja and Port Harcourt before demanding how many meetings have I mentioned? How many meetings does he want the FCT minister to call before he will come in attendance? They said the governor is a liar and revealed that the preliminary findings of the assembly was part of what led to the emergency rule, declaring that the outstanding administrator left 600 billion in government accounts. He affirmed that lawmakers could continue to probe state expenditure during this period. So the wahala does start again. Bottom line, now money. Leave us a comment. Don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. God bless. Bye for now.